Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and let me show you how to check total screen time. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and here you've got kind of basic data, but if you'll tap in the middle of the screen you'll get a bit more knowledge, so you can check either particular apps and statistics for these apps. As you can see, you can check screen time, notifications received or times opened. Then you can also check it daily or hourly, and also you can, let me go back here, also you can change the category here for those that were available under particular app, but here you've got it for all apps. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.